Adding a product in SalesJet is super easy. So you click on products, add a product, you give the product a name. Let's say that this is a book. You can add a description and then a price. Let's say it's $47. You then define whether it's that's something that you can download, a physical product, or a service. When it's downloadable, you can determine whether or not it's a free product specifically, and then you attach the actual product. So this is and then you attach the product. So this should be your actual book, so the product that people will download. And you're ready then to, for example, take a look at a product and then maybe add your image. And so we're going to add it now. Great. So now we have the title, description, a price, the product itself. We told the system that this is a free downloadable product. And now we can save and exit. Okay, good. We have all the data. What we can do now is attach this product to our funnels. Let's take a look at how you can do that. Okay, on our book funnel, let's say that we have a sales page and we have a button in the sales page, and we can decide that the action connected to the button is a purchase, and we assign to the button a specific product. In this case, is the book on marketing. So when the person will click on the button, it will basically place on the cart the book that we just the product that we just created. We can do something more though. So for example, we can connect, now that we have a product and a sales page, we clearly can have sales. So now in the funnel flow, you can create an order purchase event. Let me show you how you do that. You go on your events, then you order purchase. At this point, you need to assign a product. So it will be book marketing. That will basically trigger every time, it will turn on every time that the person purchases that specific product. In a funnel, you can have multiple products. You can have upsell, downsell, and so on and so forth. And you can connect events to each one of those. So now that we know that the guy bought the book of marketing, we can add an action and give a special offer for something else, or start a follow-up series or an email, and so on. Obviously, we can create something whether if he, for example, cancels an order, or we can create something, etc. If the person, for example, gets to the thank you page. So he arrived, he bought the product, now it's on a thank you page, and we can connect something to that as well. Okay guys, I hope you saw how easy it is to add a product on SalesJet. It's very simple. Let's add some products now and let's make some sales.